Whoa, you're back. Welcome to Channel Update 1.0, or should I say Channel Revamp 1.0, because I have changed from everything to everything in the channel, from channel name to channel profile picture and everything. So in this video we will be talking about all the changes. First we will talk all the changes that I have done to the channel, and after that I will tell you why this was necessary, why I did this. So let's get started with the video. Alright, let's start with the changes that I have done to the channel. So first and biggest change is that I have changed the channel name, and earlier it was Tech Bucks and now it's called the MrLucrative. I know it sounds like a money making channel or kind of business or a finance related channel, but it isn't bad for a tech channel. And I have changed the profile picture of the channel, which earlier was only face, and now it's a passport size photo. And now we have also a new channel banner. You can see the earlier one and the new one. Also I have changed the description of the channel, and you can go and check it out on the channel. I won't be showing you on this video. And last but not least, I have changed all the social media handles. Basically I haven't changed any social media handle, but the username of the social media handles is changed. Earlier there were different social media handles, or I can say different social media handle usernames, but now they all are down to MrLucrative13. I tried to search MrLucrative, but they weren't available, so I have changed to MrLucrative13. So you can go and follow me out there. And that's all the changes I have done. And till now, if you have seen whole things properly, then you may have noticed something unusual. So what's unusual is that from everything like the channel profile picture, channel banner, and even the thumbnail of this video all contain three major and three basic colors. I won't say the basic colors, but three major colors: black color or shades of black, teal color or shades of teal, and white color. You can see these three colors everywhere. And what I have thought is that there should be a theme of the channel for, let's say, 6 months or an year. So all the things from now, whether it be channel banner or channel profile picture or all the thumbnails, they will contain mostly these three colors, and I will try to keep it those colors in the videos too, or I will be keeping those, and those will be the colors for next 6 months or a year. So by the way, you guys tell me in the comment section below that should I keep this theme, black, teal and white theme, to for 6 months or an year? Tell me in the comment section below. And those were all the changes I have done to the channel. Now let's move on to why it was necessary. So let's move on to why I changed this, and was it really necessary? Then answer to this question is yes, it was heavily necessary. So let's start with the beginning. I will tell you everything. So in short, I will tell you that if you don't know that I had another channel called TechBucks for 3 years, from June 2017 to June 2020, but surprisingly things didn't go well with that channel, so I skipped that channel and created this channel on 19 June 2020, and thought that that was old channel, so maybe it was lost in YouTube algorithm. But then I created this channel, and this channel seems to go on that track only. In last 1 year, we barely get 100 subscribers. In fact, you can see that there are only 92 subscribers on this channel. Another thing is that in past 1 year, I won't say even a year, because on June 19th of 2021 it will be 1 year of this channel. So around in 1 year I have gained only around 25,000 impressions on my videos, which is very less for any channel out there in 1 year. And another thing is that when you search TechBucks on YouTube, there is no search suggestion of TechBucks. In fact, it shows sometimes that it is a wrong channel name or wrong name. You should search another thing called TechObucks. And another thing is that it is not like that the channel SEO is not proper. I have done the channel SEO very properly, and I have mentioned all the important tags for the channel, but nothing is happening. So what I did was, some days before I was sitting just using my mobile, scrolling through Google, and I unconsciously searched TechBucks on Google, and there I found a company called TechBucks Inc., which was a IT training and professionals company from America. So I thought that maybe due to that the search suggestion isn't showing TechBucks in YouTube. Maybe that's the possible reason. I'm not 100% sure about that, but maybe the reason. And for long I have been using this name, but nothing is happening with this name of this channel. So I thought, why not to change the channel to some, let's give it a try by changing the channel name and doing something unique. So that's why I did this. And why only Mr. Lucrative? And there is no answer for that, because some days before I was sitting and this name suddenly hits my mind, and I thought it, why not keep this, it's a good name. And I have checked that there are no channels of this name. There are 2 channels, but they aren't active from 1 year, last 1 year. So I thought that they have officially done with their channel. So that's the new thing, that's the new channel name, that's the new channel profile picture, that's the new channel banner, and everything is new. And you're going to see everything new from today's video. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. See you guys in the next video. Till then, this is Karan Gade signing off.